Good people, Sanbonan, Umakebalo. Today we are doing this video. Now we'll be looking at paper 2 of November 2019, which is also part of grade 10. So this series that I'm doing based on this paper is for the people who are doing grade 10. So make sure that you watch all the questions that I'll be doing on this series of videos for question or for grade 10. Now here question 1 is on statistics or data handling in grade 10, where we'll be doing on this question. So in the question saying that ice cream vendor recorded his daily sales for the period of time and the number of ice creams that he sold each day is given in the table below. So these are the number of sales that are done in each day. So here they're asking us, let's write down the mode of the set. Remember now the mode is the number that is repeated the most here. So based on these numbers that is we have here, I hope you can see that 15 is repeated 3 times. So 15 is going to be our mode of this data that we have here. Now, let's if we can go into 1.1.2. They're asking us determine the median of the data. Now, what is the median of the data? The median, remember, is a number that is between our data. There's in the middle of this data. Now, obviously, the data is they already arrange for us according to the ascending order of it. So if you can see now, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And here below it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I hope you can see that this number here between this 9 and 9 is this one here, which is 24, which is our median is going to what? Is going to be 24. Now going to 1.1.3, they're asking us to calculate the interquartile range. Now remember the interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. So how do we get Q3? Q3, we find it based on this side here on the median, before the median. So we need to find our interquartile range. Our interquartile range now, it's a median of this part here. So if we can find our median on this part here, is going to be now this and that, and then this and that, and then this and that, and then this and that. I hope you can see now this is going to be my Q1. Now let's go and find Q3. So Q3, this and that, and then this and that, and then this and that, and then this. Oh, I forgot this one here. Now this is going to be my Q3. So I hope you can see now Q3 is going to be 38. Now interquartile range is going to be 38 minus 13, which is going to be my answer of 20. So this is going to be my interquartile range. Now let's go and draw our Bosc and a whisker. Remember, in order for you to go draw a Bosc and a whisker, you need your 5-number summary, you need your median, you need your maximum, you need your Q1, you need your median, you need your Q3, and then you need your minimum. So starting from the minimum here, our minimum based on these our numbers here, let me just do this, and then our median here is 5. So if we can start here from 5, let me just draw dots here. This is going to be our median, and then our Q1 here we got, or yeah, our Q1 here we got that our Q1 is 13. So if this is 10, 11, 12, 13, so my 13 it's gonna be somewhere here. And now our median was 24. So if this is 25, so my 24 will be somewhere here. and my Q3 is going to be 38. So if there is 35, so it's 36, 37, 38. So it's somewhere here, and my maximum is what is 55. So my maximum is 55. It's somewhere here. So now let me draw my Bosca correctly. So it's gonna be like this, and then from here I join it to be somewhere here, and then I could join it to be this, and then from here I go this side, stop there. Sorry about that. Okay, let me just cancel this. Then from here I try from here going there, and then from here also going there. Then from here I join it going down, and then from here I join it going this side there. Then this is going to be my Bosca and the whisker. So it's somewhere here and it's somewhere here. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. This is going to be my post kind of whisker. I hope you can see here I made a mistake, so make sure you just correct this mistake that I did here. So this is just the my boss kind of whisker. Now let's go to the second part of the question, which is this one here. So here in this question, they're asking us the learners in the say 10 class wrote mathematics test that had maximum of 10 of 10. The teacher represents the marks obtained by the learners of this class in a bar graph. So this is the bar graph that's showing the distribution of marks that is scored in this mathematic test. So we are having the frequency and we are having the marks. To remember, the frequency is going to be our learners, and then the marks is going to be the marks of our learners. So question one, which is 1.2.1, is saying asking us how many learners score 8 marks out of 10 of this test. So how many learners that got 8 out of 10? So if we come here, this is the marks of 8 out of 10. So going at the top, how many learners do we have there? So we have 5 learners, which is our frequency. So we have 5 learners. So 1.2.2 now is asking us how many learners are in this class. So how do we calculate how many learners are in this class? We do that by calculating our frequency. So let's just calculate it together. So it's going to be 2 plus 5 plus 2 plus 9 plus 1 plus 6 plus another 6 plus 5 plus 3 and then plus another 1. I hope if we can add all those numbers, you can see that the learners that we have in class, we have 40 learners. Now, in 1.2.3, so they're asking us to calculate the range of the marks that is scored in this class. Now, how do we calculate the range? Remember, the range is maximum minus minimum. This is how we calculate our range. So what is our maximum here? Maximum here is 10. And what is our minimum here is going to be 0. So minus 0, which is the answer is going to be 10. That's going to be our range of this mark scored in this test. Now in 1.2.4, they're asking us if the pass mark of the test was 50%. Now the pass mark is 50%. What percentage of the number of learners that is failed? Now first thing we need to find the number of learners that are got less than 50%. So my 50% is here since the mark they remember the maximum marks is out of 10. So my 50% is so everyone that is less than 5 has failed the test. So how many learners are those one? So the first one is going to be 2 learners. So it's 2 plus 5, which is 5 from here. So plus 5 plus another 2, so it's plus 2, and then plus 9 of them, so it's 9, and then plus 1, so it's plus 1. So we need to get the total of the number of learners that are here, which is going to be 19 out of those learners. So how do we get those percentage of those learners that are going to fail this test? It's going to be 19 over the total. Remember, how many learners do we have here? We have 40 learners, and then we times it by hundreds. So the percentage here, it's going to be 47.5%. So now let's get into the last part of the question, which is now calculate the mean marks scored in this test. So how do we calculate the mean of the mark? Now remember, calculating the mean in a bar graph, we say frequency, or the mark times the frequency. So it's going to be the 0, which is this 0, times 2, then plus the mark, which is going to be 1, times the frequency, which is going to be 5, and then plus the mark, which is 2, times the mark, which is going to be 2, and then plus. So guys, we're gonna go along that, and then plus, if I can write just the last one here, which is going to be 10 times 1. So now remember, guys, in between here, you need to write everything that we have here. Because I don't have a space here, I'm just gonna write it like this. So please don't write it like this. This is very, very important. And then from here, divided by the total of learners, which is going to be 40. So now this, all of it, including the one that I didn't write, is gonna give me 195 all over 40. And then this is the mean out of here is going to be 39 out of 8, or in decimal is going to be 4,88. Thank you so much for watching this video. Makebalo.